An income statement is one of our company's most important financial statements that show their profit or loss over a period of time. To make an income statement, a few steps are needed. Step 1. Calculate gross profit. Gross profit equals revenues less cost of sales. Step 2. Calculate EBITDA, earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. Step 3. Calculate EBIT, earnings before interest and tax. Step 4. Calculate income before taxes. Step 5. Calculate net income. And finally, there is one example for you to practice. Enjoy your learning.